Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the trend line correctly. Okay, in order to draw a trend line, we have to, let's see here. That's a belly, and that belly actually made high. Then we have a higher low. Then this higher low actually made another high. So we can connect these two belly for uptrend. Okay, can connect here and we can connect here. And for the peak, for the downtrend, we have to connect two peaks. For example, market going down, and then we have a peak, then is broken the structure, then we have a that means we have a lower low, then we have market going up again, then we have another peak, and then market make another low. So we can connect these two peak here. So we can connect here and we can connect here. Okay, now let me show you some examples in the real market condition. Let's start from this chart. For example, here in this chart here we have a peak and then we have another peak. This made the low and that made the lower low, so we can connect these two here. Then this move here, we can connect this one here and we can connect this one here. Now you can ask me, why not connecting this one? No guys, we are not we are just connecting the belly and peaks, right? Like we are connecting the bellies and we are connecting the peaks. This one here, this is not a belly, or this is not anything. This is just a CP, continuation pattern. Okay, this is a continuation pattern. But this one here, this is a B shape, so this is a belly. So this one here is a belly and this one here is a belly. Okay, so we can connect these two here. Okay, that's how you're gonna draw a trend line. Now let me show you some bearish trend line. For example, here we have this one here, we have a peak and then we have another peak. That's a rally and drop, so we can connect these two. Okay, we only connect last two peaks. Okay, so this is the last two peaks. We're not connecting this one, so we're just connecting last two, 1 2. Okay, now let me go to the, now here for the uptrend we can draw the trend line here. So 1.2 and we draw the trend line. Now for here we can draw a trend line like this. For example, this one here, this is a peak, and then we have, this is all this here, this is just a choppiness. Then we don't have any low, so we cannot draw a trend line here. Okay, so we cannot draw a trend line here. So for example, here actually we can, this is a belly and this is a belly too, but this belly actually little upper than this one. Sometimes market does that. So you cannot draw a trend line like this. You cannot just draw a trend line like this. Okay, for the uptrend. So what you're gonna do is actually you are just gonna connect this point here and this point here. So let me just draw a trend line. So that will be our trend line for this market. Let me just see what market did. Yeah, actually market broke in this trend line and the downtrend began. Yeah, that's another stuff to do. Well guys, but be aware of continuation pattern. It's very hard to separate belly and peaks and continuation pattern. You have to practice a lot to separate them. You're gonna have to do a lot of exercises, because if you mix these things together, then it will be very hard for you to actually find out the right trend when you are going to trade supply and demand. So now here we have for example, this one here, we can draw a trend line like this here. Okay, so that was our trend line. Let's see, we cannot draw a trend line like this in here. We cannot, because this level here, this is a CP, this one here, this is a CP. We have to connect peaks. For example, here the last one, let me show you, We have this one peak, we have this one peak, so we can connect these two together here. Okay, so like that. Then we can also connect these two together, because this is a peak right here, and this is a rally and drop, not a CP. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel. Thanks guys, bye.